You feel tired. You feel lost. You feel like something inside you cracked. Like maybe, just maybe, you're broken. But listen to me, and listen carefully. You're not broken. You're just becoming someone stronger than you've ever been before. This pain, this confusion, this season of silence, it's not the end of you. It's the making of you. Before we go deeper, lock this in right now. Subscribe if you've ever doubted your worth but refused to give up. Like this video to remind yourself that what you're going through is transformation, not destruction. Comment below. I'm not broken. I'm becoming. Let's begin. This is the reminder your soul's been waiting for. One, the shattering feels like the end, but it's the beginning. It's hard to explain, isn't it? That ache in your chest. That fog in your mind. That numbness that creeps in when you're supposed to care, but just don't anymore. You're showing up, but you're not there. You're breathing, but you're not living. And somewhere along the way, a voice inside you whispered, "Something's wrong with me." But here's the truth. Nothing is wrong with you. This is what it feels like to shed the old version of yourself. The one who lived to please. The one who stayed silent. The one who pretended to be okay for everyone else's comfort. That version of you, it had to break, so the real you could rise. Two, the strongest versions of us are forged in pain. Let's be real. The strongest people you know didn't get there through ease. They didn't become unshakable by floating through life untouched. They were broken open. They cried in silence. They questioned everything. They faced the parts of themselves that most people avoid their entire lives. And that pain didn't destroy them. It revealed them. And it's doing the same for you. This isn't your downfall. It's your formation. You're not breaking down. You're breaking through. If you're still watching, that means you haven't quit yet. And that alone makes you rare. Most people give up in this phase. Most people numb out. Most people go back to pretending. But you? You're leaning in. You're healing. You're evolving. So lock this in right now. Subscribe to this channel if you're committed to becoming who you were meant to be. Comment below. I'm still here. I'm still fighting. Like this video if you're done running from the pain and ready to rise from it. Let's keep going. 3. Stop seeing your wounds as weakness. You look at your past and see damage. You see mistakes. You see moments where you lost your way. But let me tell you something that might change everything. Scars don't mean you're broken. Scars mean you survived. They're not proof of weakness. They're proof of strength. Proof that life hit you and you got back up. You've cried. You've stumbled. You've had nights where it felt like it would never get better. But you didn't disappear. You're still here. And that makes you unstoppable. 4. This phase is the rebuilding, not the ruin. This season of your life might feel like everything is falling apart. But what if I told you, it's all falling into place? The old friendships fading, the old habits breaking, the false identities dissolving. It's not destruction, it's construction. You're being stripped down, not to be left empty, but to be rebuilt with intention. Stronger, wiser, clearer. You're not breaking down, you're breaking away from everything you're no longer meant to carry. 5. You're being shaped into your final form. You've been playing small. You've been hiding pieces of yourself to fit into places you've outgrown. But the pain you're feeling right now? It's not punishment, it's the pressure required to shape you into your final form. The confident you, the bold you, the healed you. The version of you that speaks with clarity, walks with purpose, and doesn't flinch in the face of uncertainty. That version of you is already inside you. This season? It's just the fire that's pulling them out. So what now? You have 2 choices. Believe the lie that you're broken beyond repair, and go back to the life that almost killed your spirit. Stand up in your truth, wounded, messy, uncertain, and choose to rise anyway. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to stop giving up on yourself. Because this version of you, the one who's been cracked wide open by life, they're not broken, they're becoming. If this video spoke to the version of you that's been quietly struggling, then don't let this moment pass. Subscribe right now, because your journey isn't over. It's just getting started. Comment below. I'm not broken, I'm becoming someone stronger than ever. Like this video to mark this moment as your rebirth. Let them think you're falling apart. You know the truth, you're not broken. You're becoming the version of you the world won't be able to ignore.